Hey guys, it's Dave, your mortgageguy.com, and currently we're in June 2020, and I am seeing a crazy real estate market. As a realtor, you know it's a crazy market. Lots of offers, lots of over list price offers, just a crazy, crazy exciting market. Now, with that is coming a lot of posts and complaints I'm seeing, or frustration by realtors that appraisers suck. They're not doing a good job. They're cutting values, whatever it is. Keep in mind, it's not so much that the appraiser is not doing a good job, although there's bad appraisers, right? It's that the home prices right now and the market is not allowing or doesn't have the examples of comps, comparable sales from the last 90 days, which is what appraisers use, right? So the comps have not caught up to the market. And that may take 30 days or 60 days. So you're seeing values get cut because, yes, the market is determining the value, but the appraiser and appraisal still have to support that value. So I'm seeing multiple appraisal cuts come in, right? And a lot of realtors are saying that they're seeing it. So with that being said, this is the pitch or explanation that I use when working with clients when the appraisal value gets cut, okay? Because one thing to keep in mind is the client is going off of your expertise. So if the value comes in lower on appraisal, but you know based on the market that that's not the case, that it's worth more, you have to explain that to the client, okay? So this is what I use. Let's say the value gets cut by $10,000, okay, from the sales price. As soon as that comes in, I'll speak to the realtor about the situation, see if they want to rebut it or go against it, give additional comps, whatever it is. But let's say the value stays the same, okay? When I go to send that to the client, or if the realtor does, my suggestion is always, look, if the home was a sales price of $410 and it appraised at $400, keep in mind that if you ask 10 appraisers, you'll probably get 10 different values. It's an opinion of value. It's not a fact. That's number one. Number two is this. Look, you love the home at $410. If we can get the seller down to $405 even, or $400, right? That $500 appraisal saved you $5,000. This is amazing. If I had told you when you went under contract that instead of getting the house at $410, you could have gotten it at $405 or $400, you would have loved me, right? You would have given me a hug. Not me, you as a realtor, right? You want to explain it this way because those things are going to happen in the market, right? So you want to come with a positive view on the situation, okay? If you come with a negative one, or you come with one where I wouldn't pay more than what it appraised for, type of stance, we're not in that market. That's a fact. We are not in that type of market. And so you really don't want to handle it in that manner, okay? I've been using this technique for years now. And actually just last week, I had two realtors who trusted me, took this speech and pitch, brought it to their client, and the client was ecstatic, and they were bringing some money to closing, right? One of them, I think, got cut by 40 grand. The seller lowered it 20 grand. Buyer paid the additional 20 grand. Hey, oh my God, I love the home at 420. At 400, it's a steal based on this market, right? So think about that when you're dealing with the appraisals getting cut and how to handle it, okay? I've got superstar realtors I'm working with that use this technique. It causes less stress. It helps your client go in the direction they want to go in on a home that they love, right? And they're looking to you as the expert. So you may steal or borrow this technique if you would like. And if you do use it, I would love to be your lender, all right? Call or email me if you need anything. Comment down below and give me a shout if I can help with anything. Thanks, guys.